Going to SM to pay the bills of Meralco subscription-based company. That's the power of subscription and club membership of any other companies. And the Live Good face that give you earns. Club membership, subscription with dividend, that's Live Good to share earnings. But the other companies, no. Because this is a business, but Live Good business and giving earnings for you. Yeah. Okay, punta tayo sa SM, mabayad tayo ng bills. Oh, subscription based din. Oh, sana meron pa. Oh, bayad na kayo. Yan dalawa, mabayad ng mga bills yan. Dito, oh.